What is Theosophy? Every religious, philosophical, or spiritual tradition of any consequence has pointed to the sublime idea that all life is one. Everything at every level is interconnected. There is a radical unity in which no part is left out. The Buddha teaches that the fundamental illusion that plagues mankind is separateness. Jesus pleaded with mankind to love one another. Lao Tzu remarks that the sage has no separate self of his or her own, but rather makes the self of all one's own. Theosophy hails as the most important idea the reality of human solidarity. At some essential level, all men and women are brothers and sisters. We are, despite all evidence to the contrary, actually one family with no exceptions. The secret doctrine states, here, listen, the fundamental identity of all souls with the universal oversoul. We are one another. Because of this core idea, all credible great teachers from all eras and traditions insist on compassion, love, and respect for one's fellow man. But not only that, they insist upon this same reverence for all that lives and breathes. Humanity is not separate or above nature, but rather an integral part of it.